our channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today I am going to paint one more beautiful mountain scenery. So why to wait? Let's start this video. Okay, so let's first tape our canvas to the table. I am taking canvas of A4 size and masking tape for this. Now let's take my cutie pies, my acrylics on my glass palette. The shades we need today are, in sequence, cobalt blue, white, black, viridian, dark green, sap green, deep yellow, yellow green, burnt umber, burnt sienna and vermilion red. So it's the time to paint the sky. I am taking a little bit of blue and white to start painting the sky. I am also taking a little bit of red to add some kind of light shade of red in the sky. Using same shades of sky, I am going to paint the water body in front of mountain, which is not looking like water body yet, but it will definitely. As I'm done with the basic shades of sky, so now let's start painting mountains using black and burnt umber shade. As the background is now nearly dry, so I am going to take red and burnt sienna paint to paint very light mountains in the background. We are going to paint a lot of mountains in the background sky which are not clearly visible, and also we are going to paint a lot of white clouds near these. Some are in front of these or some are behind these mountains, which are going to really look amazing. Now, after completing the background, let me come back to our star mountain. So I am using burnt umber and black to paint it again. Initially, I am providing gradient here. Gradient mean different shades, like somewhere light shade or somewhere dark shade. Because some parts of the mountains must be lighter than the others. So we need to paint it with different shades randomly. Now I am going to take dark green shade to paint some part of mountains, because we are going to paint a lot of greenery in our painting. I am also going to paint same shades around the water body, and also I need to paint reflection of tip of mountain and of some clouds in the water body, which I am going to do later on in this painting. So we are going to paint a nearly realistic painting by using some very simple techniques. Now it's the time to add details in the mountain. So I am going to use yellow paint and other light shades like white directly and also light green to add details in the mountain. Initially, I am providing details using a small brush, but you know what? We can't complete any mountain without using the painting knife. So, using painting knife, let's provide details to the painting using white paint and knife, because this is going to make our mountain look realistic, amazingly realistic. Now let's paint other parts of the painting. While painting, we need to take care of minor details. Sometimes we can use techniques to create an illusion of realism in a painting. As I did in case of painting these mountains, I used knife. The other area left on the canvas is going to have a lot of greenery. So I am going to paint different shades of green like yellow green, sap green, dark green, sometimes black and blue in it. So I am going to use all these shades, randomly to provide gradient to my canvas and some kind of illusion of irregularity on the ground. Because in mountain areas, ground is not leveled. So it must have some kind of irregularities in it. Guys, being an artist is so fun, but it is difficult as well, because you have to observe this world and you have to catch its soul, its life in your paintings, which is really very difficult thing, but it is the fun of being an artist. You have to catch the soul, the life of everything in your painting. Now I am painting some grass on the ground. For this I am applying paint using dry brush. I am not going to use water for this. So I am applying some strokes of brush directly in vertical motion to provide some kind of realistic touch to my painting in painting the grass. And also I'm going to paint some red flowers on the grass for adding more details in my painting because I'm obsessed with details. It's fun. I guess you must be wondering that why I left this white portion in the center of my painting. And now I'm going to tell you that I am going to paint some stones here. For this we need only 3 shades, which is very good news, which are black, white and burnt sienna paint. Burnt sienna means brown in layman language. Acrylic paintings are my favorite paintings because we can complete these in one go, as we are doing with this painting, and also these paintings dry so fast, so it is really easy to apply so many layers of paint in the time. So in painting mountains and in painting stones we need to apply so many layers of paint. So here comes the work of acrylics. This is really easy with acrylics. Here I am applying a lot of layers of same shades on the stones to paint them realistically. This is really fun. Let me tell you that this painting is one of my favorite paintings. I think every artist loves mountains, and I also love them a lot because these natural miracles really restore our positivity. As I'm painting this painting, it feels like I am present on the location and I am just walking through the mountains. This feeling is so pleasing, guys. To be in the sync with the universe and to come at the speed of nature, it is so amazing. Everything seems to be fulfilled as there is nothing left that I have ever wanted to achieve. This locked feeling of prosperity can be opened by a key, which is nature and my love mountains. I really love nature. And I can't stop myself from painting sceneries because those are really love. Oh, my stones are almost ready. With these talks, I just float away in the feelings. So now let's paint some grass having small red flowers on it. For this, I am again going to use all the shades of green and going to apply strokes using small brush. And this is really fun, guys. And after completing this, the only step which is left is to remove the tapes. And I am going to remove all the tapes to reveal the final result. And let me tell you, this painting was so fun. I really enjoyed painting this and the result is pretty amazing. So guys, I hope you like this video and this painting. If you do, then press the like button and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And guys, if you want to watch more art videos from my side, you have to subscribe this channel. For that, press the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon to get notifications for my new videos first. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing, and thank you so much for watching all my videos. Bye.